Well, today we are going to discuss why industrial AI still cannot replace senior engineers. The real risks behind manufacturing AI. Have you ever heard someone say that? Artificial intelligence can soon replace engineers in manufacturing. This sounds very convincing, but is this really happening? The reality inside tells us a completely different story. Recently, Ford revealed its AI-driven and automated quality system failed to meet expectations. The company has hired, rehired, and promoted. It has hired about 350 experienced engineering and technical personnel to strengthen its vehicle quality management process. Ford also admitted an important lesson. Artificial intelligence can only be used in training. And its knowledge is good enough. Can it truly be effective? This statement reflects one of the biggest misunderstandings. As an industrial risk consultant, I don't think AI itself is the problem. The real problem is unrealistic expectations. Many companies expect AI can replace experienced engineers and eliminate quality inspectors and automatically make complex engineering decisions. But the reality is that industrial AI is best used as a decision support tool rather than a substitute for engineering experience. Let's see why. First, manufacturing data is rarely perfect. Industrial AI relies on factory data usually contains missing values, inconsistent records, sensor drift, environmental changes, and process changes. Poor quality data inevitably leads to unreliable AI predictions. Any algorithm cannot overcome poor data quality. Second, AI recognizes patterns. An engineer understands the reason. A machine may detect abnormal vibrations, while an experienced engineer can judge the real reason, whether it is bearing wear, shaft misalignment, foundation loosening, load changes, or some completely different problem. Pattern recognition is valuable. Root cause analysis still requires engineering judgment. Third, manufacturing knowledge is not just data. Many of the most valuable engineering skills are acquired through years of practical experience. Over the years, experienced engineers can notice subtle changes in sound, vibration temperature changes, surface defects, or process behavior. And these contents are rarely found in structured datasets. This type of tacit knowledge is extremely difficult to be fully digitized. Ford recognized this challenge. The company did not expect AI to replace experts, but to let experienced engineers return to the entire process. These engineers now help train AI systems, guide young engineers in design reviews, and continuously improve quality management. This approach reflects that many manufacturing companies are taking. It's not AI replacing but people enhance AI. So for manufacturing enterprises, what is the best strategy? First, establish standardized processes before introducing AI. Second, improve data quality through improved data governance. Thirdly, at every stage of deploying AI, involve experienced engineers in every stage. Finally, as production conditions change, continuously verify and retrain the AI model. Industrial AI should be part of a comprehensive risk management rather than a shortcut to replace engineering experience. The future of manufacturing is not AI against engineers, but experience. Experienced engineers and AI work together, reduce industrial risks, product quality, and build a more reliable manufacturing system. Enterprises that truly understand will gain a long-term competitive advantage. If you are engaged in industrial mechanical safety, manufacturing quality, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Can AI improve your factory's decision-making or bring new challenges? Welcome to share your experience in the comments. If you like about AI, manufacturing risks, mechanical safety, engineering best practices, welcome to subscribe to my channel to get more video content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.